Selenium IDE. Today concept is Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Selenium IDE is nothing but Integrated Development Environment. What is Selenium IDE? Already I told you. Selenium IDE is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs this set of programs we need to configure or we need to install into one user interface. In the place of user interface we are using Selenium IDE only. Why? Because Selenium IDE is a user interface, no need to install somewhere. Selenium IDE is a user interface, no need to install somewhere. Selenium IDE advantages. Selenium IDE is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface we are using Selenium IDE only. Why? Because Selenium IDE is a user interface. Selenium IDE advantages. It is free software. And we have recording and playback facility. We have recording and playback facility. Execution will be super fast. Execution will be super fast. Execution will be super fast. We can convert the script to we can convert the scripts into Java, Perl, Python, C#, Ruby. We can convert the scripts into Java, Perl, Python, C# and Ruby. And it is a excellent way of learning scripts syntax. We can insert comments and command. We can insert comments. We can insert commands. We can keep breakpoint. We can keep breakpoint. We can keep breakpoint. We can run script. We can run script user desired fashion. We can run slow mode, fast mode. We can run slow mode as well as fast mode. These are the advantages of Selenium IDE. Okay, it is free software. We have recording and playback facility, and execution will be super fast. We can convert the scripts into Java, Perl, Python, C#, Ruby. It is an excellent way of learning scripts syntax. we can insert comments, we can insert commands, we can keep breakpoints, and we can run script user desired fashion. We can run slow mode and as well as fast mode, and we can run single statement also. I will show you these advantages. Okay, next, disadvantages. Disadvantages: we can't write script manually. We can't write script manually, cannot upload files, it will not it will not support loops and conditional statements. It will not read it will not read .xls, .xml. XML file, it will not read. XLS means Excel files. XML means environment files, and at the same time XLS file, sorry, text files also. It will not read text files also. We can perform very limited testing using Selenium IDE. We can perform very limited testing. That's the reason none of the people not using Selenium IDE nowadays. We can perform very limited testing. That's the reason none of the people not using Selenium IDE nowadays. But still we are learning. Why we need to learn? So I will tell you. First, how to download Selenium IDE? Go to Mozilla Firefox. It is a add-on of Firefox. We can get in only Firefox only. Go to Google. Now type download Selenium IDE. Click on first link. Come down. Selenium IDE. Click on previous versions here. We can get number of previous version. I'm taking 1.9.0. Click on 1.9.0. Why? Because I'm using old version of Firefox. That's the reason I'm also downloading IDE also old version. Click on install now. Selenium IDE is just like a manual testing. There is no chance to implement new things. It is a bore process. There is nothing to learn. So it is very slow, and we can't we can't write manually, and at the same time we can perform very limited testing. So Selenium IDE installed. How installed or not, how we can get? Just go to tools, Selenium IDE. Okay. You know friends, Selenium IDE defaultly recording mode. Defaultly record mode. I'm going to Google now. I'm writing Akhil Reddy Technologies. I'm writing Akhil Reddy Technologies. Click on enter. Click on enter. So stop recording mode. This is the stop recording record mode stop button, madam. This is the record mode stop button. If you want, click on run. If you click on run, click on run. It will run. Go to Google, Akhil Reddy Technologies. So max it can perform only 2 to 3. It will run maximum 2 to 3 script statements only. Right. Great. Save this test. Save test. In the desktop I'm saving A. Save. Right. Now I'm taking new. Selenium IDE once again I'm taking new. Automatically it will recording mode. Google.com. I'm clicking on Gmail. I'm entering my ID. Akhil Reddy HYD1. Click on next. Password is Venkana143. Click on sign in. Stop recording. Already I kept mark also, but you didn't get. So this is the record mode. Just now if you click on run, here also we have two options, madam. This is the test case. That means it is a single test case. This is test suite. Test suite is nothing but it is a combination of number of test cases. So if you want to run single test case, we will use this test case option. If you want to run multi-test cases, we will use this test suite option. Right. Now if I click on run, so it will go to Google, click on Gmail, and it will enter into execution will be super fast. Already I told you. So super fast it is executed. I want to save this file, two files. Save test case. I'm giving name B. Click on OK. If it is only test case, we can't delete. So compulsory there should be one another test case. Then only we can delete. So I'm taking new test case. So now we can delete bit B. Right. There are two views. One is table view, other one is source view. Table view we can get it. Source view, whenever you are taking any action, it will generate TR data and TD data. We can it will generate TR data and TD data. For example, open test case. I'm opening one test case A. Table data, table view, we can get open and type. It is very just similar to our real life. I'm opening the Gmail page. I'm typing Akhil Reddy Technologies. Okay, if it is Selenium WebDriver, then we can here we can get send keys. Command. What is the command? If you want to enter any data into Selenium WebDriver, what is the command? Send keys. But here type it will come. It is very related to our real life. Okay, we are opening Gmail page. Sorry, we are opening Google. After we are typing something, that is Akhil Reddy Technologies. So it will, that command will be very near to real people, right? Next, source view. In the source view, each and every script you did three actions, so but that three actions it will generate for each and every action. For each and every action it will generate tr data, td data. Tr data means table row, td data means table cells, table data. Tr data means table row, data means table data, means that is cells. Okay, right. Now come to, now come to first file. New test case, open test case, save test case, save as test case, open test case, export test case, recent test cases. All the information we can get here. And test suits also, new test suite, open test suite, save test suite as, export test suite, recent test case. Edit. We can insert command and comments also. If you want insert any comment, we can insert here. Go to edit, insert new comment. Okay, if you keep the comment, it will run. If you insert the command, it will not run. Okay, now edit, insert new command. Here we can get number of commands. Here commands only, already predefined commands is there, then we can use that commands only. It will not run. If you keep the comment, it will run. If you keep the command, it will not run. Okay, all right. Next, that in edit we have only two options: insert comment and command. Come to the actions. Play entire test suite or play current test case. Okay, already we have options we discussed. And toggle breakpoint, we can keep the breakpoint. Okay, how to keep the breakpoint? After opening Gmail, Google, I want to keep the breakpoint. Just go to action, toggle breakpoint. If I click run, it will not run. Why? Because I entered, I keep breakpoint. Just go to actions, toggle breakpoint. If you want, once again, actions, toggle breakpoint. If I click run, it will go to Gmail. It will not enter any data. Why? Because I kept breakpoint. Right. I want to remove breakpoint. Right. No. Now go to actions. Execute this command. Single statement also we can execute. So it will execute command go Gmail. Next, I want to selecting next line. Go to actions, execute this command. It will enter Akilready Technologies. That's the reason I wrote. It will execute single command also. Right. We can run fast mode and slow mode. Come to options. Options, we are in Selenium IDE. Defaultly, it will wait 30 seconds. How much seconds it will wait? 30 seconds. Okay, maximum default time is 30 seconds. And next, okay, all options finished. Next, I want to run multi-test cases, A and B at a time. I want to run. Click on test suite. First, Akilready Technologies over. Next, it will go to Gmail. So it is running two test cases. That is test suite. Test suite for it can run the multi-test cases. Right, finished. I don't want A now. I want to delete A. Delete. I have B. Gmail. So I want to convert this script into other technologies like export test case as C sharp, Java, Python, Ruby. We can we can convert into different scripting languages. I want to convert into JUnit WebDriver or TestNG remote control, JUnit WebDriver, JUnit WebDriver, Java JUnit WebDriver. And giving name is X. And giving name is X. Go to Eclipse. If you want to see the script, you can see. This is the flat file. Yeah. Oh, this is the flat file. There is no, it doesn't have any predefined format. So, okay. I want to convert into Java. JUnit. I want to convert into Java JUnit. How to convert? I saved that script to this is the flat file. So, if you see this file, you can't understand anything. What is this? It will be very new. I'm copying the all the script to copy. I saved with X. Observe carefully. Hmm. Wait 1 second, 1 second. Now go to SRC. Now go to SRC. Take the new class. I'm taking class. Already I saved with that file name is X. I'm taking double X. Click on finish. Control V. Now it will show error. So delete double X and give the double X. Right. Now if you run same to same, it will run. This is JUnit framework. JUnit framework. Private or WebDriver. This is global declaration. Already I told you. In the before, it is invoking the google.co.in and test. It is opening Gmail, and after it is clicking on driver quit. So same. This is the JUnit framework. Save. Still it is showing error. What happened? No. If you click on run, it will run. See, observe carefully. The script is, whenever you are generating the script, that is very difficult to understand, but whenever you are changing to, whenever you are copy pasting this Eclipse, you can get very clear manner. This is Selenium IDE. It is opening Gmail, Google, Gmail. You will enter ID and password. All right. That is Selenium IDE.